Hey guys, here is the replacement for my Hunter Passport ceiling fan. This is a Barcelona ceiling fan. I don't believe it has a name, I could be mistaken. Model C-36WH, and it's from 1987, and this is not the fan I expected to get when I bought it. I honestly thought that it was a tat tongue. So when I bought it, I was surprised in that it wasn't a tat tongue, but also I've never heard of this company Barcelona before. But it's a very interesting looking spinner. So let's get it started, shall we? Well, I guess up at the speed, I'm gonna lie down in bed here. Oh yeah. That's what's nice about bedroom fans. You get to lie down while filming. Yes, I'm lazy. So I got this fan new in box. The bearings are pretty rough on it though. I lubricated them and that seems to have fixed them. They're rather silent now. On high you can still hear a hint of bearing noise, but honestly, this is a pretty good and quiet fan for my bedroom. I don't really have a very big bedroom, so it does look bigger on camera than it does in person, I'll say that. But a 36-inch fan is perfect for it. 52-inch fan was overkill. There is some motor noise, but that's quiet enough where I can sleep to it no problem. On the label on this fan, it says it was made in Taiwan, so even though it's not a tat tongue, it could still be the same OEM. And it is no slouch, though, by no means. This is a very, very good performer for a spinner fan. You can kind of hear the bearings on the fan. Let's jump it up to high. It does wobble on high, I will say that, but it mounts on a J-hook, so... Oh wait, no, it does not. It has like a similar mounting system to... Oh golly, what's a good example? Kind of like a Hunter original, but not really. I'm not sure. Oh. Watching a friend's dog while they're on vacation. She's a little barky, but she's very sweet. Sorry about that. But yeah, you can kind of hear the bearings. I'm not sure if you can hear it on camera. But I'll say this is a very good air mover. Like, this thing rivals the View fan I have. It's probably better than that one, too. So, here's spin down. Don't expect too much out of the spin down with those bearings. I think it's still well under a minute. This is one of those mini fans where I've never seen this before, and I wouldn't have known about it until I started collecting. And to be honest, I didn't even know about this fan as a collector, so yeah. I only learned what this fan was last week when I ordered it. Kind of a treat to myself, but yeah. I was disappointed it wasn't a tat tongue, but excited that it was a Barcelona because I think I've only seen maybe 1 or 2 videos of it on YouTube. It doesn't seem to be too common. Yeah, spin down was pretty quick. 0 to high, of course. It fits very nicely with my room with the off-white ceiling and the wood paneling. Kind of gives it an old vibe. Yeah, like I said, this thing is no slouch. It's a very good performer. But yeah, there you have it. The 1987 Barcelona spinner ceiling fan. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.